power on. Here you can input the data. 6 meters for super launch. Now 6 super launch model. Then 6 meters. Then saw on. Clapping. Cutting. The first one here, and then the second one will move on. Okay. Okay. Then the second saw cutting. Then it's 6 meters. 6 meters long. Okay. For super short one， 最小的那个
150。
100，不是你这个到那个键面
220，最短是
150吗？啊，380不是对，220。
不是，你要切那个
双头
断料
啊，断料150。
150的。
For 150。Okay. Saw on, clapping.两根吗？Will be work as a single hand and 150, 150, then automatically. OK， 先下一个，再上超过500、300啊，按300的那个再弄一下。
300这个切。
300切一个吧。
300的也是2段啊。
哦，2段了。Now it's 300 millimeter. Clapping, cutting. OK， 下边380以上呢，3根嘛。对，先放那，再切500去长的。
长的就正常是
啊，双头的。
对。
呀， for double head 就看380。OK， 第一个开始吧。For more than 380, which automatically. For double head cutting, the minimum length is 380. 好了，开始你切进去。切几根？1根。OK， 然后1米。Second 1 meter。Okay, take off and then stacking 1.5 meter, 1.5米的这个。你稍微多出来一点点，让它 OK. Clapping and saw on. OK， 哪里？还有几米了？
没了。
没了。OK。So you can input the lens here, and then you can choose 90 degrees straight or 45, and left and right, and then you set the pieces you want cut over here. Then choose the program, and then saw on, saw stop and clipping, and then saw cutting is okay. Here have the ruler here, and then automatically